Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin inside Power Query Editor by selecting the column you need to clean. This saves time versus working in Excel later. First, apply Transform Right Arrow Format, Right Arrow Trim to remove leading and trailing blanks. Next, apply Transform Right Arrow Format, Right Arrow Clean to strip non-printing characters that break joins or lookups. Once done, glance at a few rows to confirm changes. These two quick steps handle most spacing problems and explain why subsequent operations succeed. They normalize the data before deeper replacements. Now address hidden spaces and inner duplicates that trim and clean miss. Use replace values with an M expression. Value, replace text, column character from number 160 to convert non-breaking spaces to normal spaces. Next, run Transform Right Arrow Replace Values or add a custom column with text. Replace to collapse double spaces, text. Replace column repeatedly or a loop if needed. For conditional fixes, create a custom column with text. Trim and text. Clean combinations, then verify results before removing the original column. Finish by setting the correct data type, then click Close and Load to push clean data back to your worksheet or model. If you need to remove interior extra spaces between words, split the column by delimiter space, remove empty tokens, and combine with a single space, or use column from examples for pattern fixes. If results still look wrong, inspect for invisible characters with character. From number checks and rerun targeted replace steps. This troubleshooting tip resolves most stubborn spacing issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.